Why brake is provided in a purifier? In a marine purifier, the brake is a critical safety and operational component. Because the ball is extremely heavy and rotates at very high speeds, up to 10,000 rpm, it possesses massive kinetic energy. Without a brake, the ball would take an incredibly long time to stop due to its own inertia and the low friction of the high-precision bearings. Safety in case of high vibration. This is the most important reason. If the purifier starts vibrating excessively due to an imbalance or a mechanical failure, it must be stopped as quickly as possible. Every second the ball continues to spin under high vibration increases the risk of the vertical spindle snapping or the ball housing exploding. Rapid maintenance and cleaning. If you need to open the purifier for a manual cleaning or an emergency overhaul, you cannot wait for it to stop naturally. Without brake, a large purifier can take 20 to 30 minutes or more to come to a complete standstill by coasting. With brake, the stopping time is reduced to roughly 3 to 5 minutes, passing through critical speed. Every rotating machine has a critical speed where its natural frequency matches its RPM, causing high vibration. When stopping the purifier, you want the ball to pass through this critical speed range as quickly as possible to minimize stress on the buffer springs and bearings. The brake helps the unit decelerate rapidly through these unstable RPM zones. Emergency situations. In the event of a fire in the engine room, a major oil leak from the purifier, or a total power failure, the brake allows the engineer to bring the machinery to a safe, static state quickly. Important precautions. Never apply with motor running. Applying the brake while the motor is still energized will burn out the brake linings and put extreme thermal stress on the motor. Always stop the motor first. Check release before start. One of the most common causes of a purifier not attaining RPM or burning smell is trying to start the unit while the brake is still applied. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, the brake is provided in a purifier primarily for safety and operational efficiency. Because the ball has high inertia, it would take a very long time to stop on its own. In an emergency, such as excessive vibration, the brake allows us to bring the ball to a standstill quickly to prevent catastrophic failure. For maintenance, it saves time by reducing the stopping period from 30 minutes to under 5 minutes. To protect bearings, it helps the machine pass through its critical speed range quickly during deceleration, preventing prolonged vibration.